Next stop in Elgin, Texas is Meyer's Elgin Smokehouse. And Mr. Myers brought this recipe over from Germany in 1888. And in 1949, created the sausage company. Then in 1998, when Elgin, Texas was named the sausage capital of Texas, he opened his restaurant. And it is a German style sausage, yes. But this German sausage has spices and herbs in it. So, we're gonna see later on, Czech and German difference. Czech sausage has a lot of garlic, German sausage doesn't. So, let's try. His boss, the name boss, this is a behemoth. So meat goes inside, press it down, this is turn, and I mean like a submarine or a ship. This is just amazing. Probably about 1,800 pounds of just meat is right here, right? So meat goes in, clamp it down, seal it. It's called the extruder. It's a disgusting name, but that's just what it is. So you're later casing it on, and it is a work of art. Like, it is not as easy as you think it is. So grab the handles on, and it's under pressure basically after it's been ground and mixed. Then you turn it on, and let the pressure release, and it starts filling the sausages. The sausage comes, and it turns. And to watch these guys, back in the day, or even new sausage makers now that do this as a craft, it is unbelievable to see the speed and efficiency. Can you imagine doing 250 pounds of meat at one time in less than 5 minutes? And both of these two guys working and just tearing up. So anyway, this is the boss. Okay, so true to the last, mac and cheese, beef sausage. Come on now. I feel like I'm 6 again. This is what I grew up with. This was like the treat when I was a kid. Sausage and mac and cheese. And usually, it was the sausage. Mac and cheese was made, and then the sausage was grilled and made, and then dumped into the mac and cheese. And that's just what we had in a big bowl. Yeah, that's pretty good. Texture is awesome. It's a portion texture. A lot of spices to it. Not hot, but a lot of spices. Again, bend, snap. It is juicy as hell for me, man. And I gotta have some mac and cheese with my sausage. Very good. If you're not a fan of pepper, it might not be your mac and cheese. There's a fair amount of black pepper in it, but I love black pepper, so. It's good. Sausage. Mac and cheese. I like it. Today's a happy day. Wait, stop. Anyway, if you like what I'm doing, subscribe to my Facebook, follow me on Instagram, throw me a pin on Pinterest if you can, and follow me.